This video is going to look at the James Lange theory of emotion. So you've got to know what the James Lange theory of emotion is. Now, James Lange believed that emotions were simply us perceiving physical changes in the body. And then the brain interprets that and concludes which emotions are being felt. So we have a physical change in the body, then we interpret that as an emotion. So a few examples here. We may have a stimulus, so there might be a growling dog. We then get that physiological arousal. Adrenaline starts to pump around, our heart rate starts to increase, and our brain will interpret that as fear. Or you might see a grizzly bear in the forest. Adrenaline gets released again, heart starts pumping, breathing rate goes, and we interpret that as a certain emotion. Now, if there's no physiological changes in the body, or you don't notice any of those changes, then no emotions will be experienced according to this theory. So overall, this theory says that our emotions are just us noticing and interpreting physical changes in our body. Now, the brain makes sense of these changes by concluding that we feel certain emotions. And William James said, "We do not weep because we feel sorrow. We feel sorrow because we weep." So if you look at this in detail, all he's saying is we feel sad because we're crying. We start to cry, and then our body interprets that as a certain emotion.